Hi, it's Brad. I bet it's no surprise to you that over the years, I should have switched out the sky in many portraits because the sky was too boring. But I didn't do it because I'm bold and true. And also, to be honest, because I was like, that's hard and I don't want to figure it out. I don't want to learn how to Photoshop skies. That's not fun to me. But I have found a tool that has changed my mind because now I can change the sky in one click. Okay, I'm not in Lightroom here. You can use this with Lightroom. That's what I usually use is Lightroom. But right now I'm just looking at Apple's Photos app. And I'm just gonna right click on the picture and open Neo. Oh wait, I lied. It's not just gonna be one, it's gonna be one click for the sky. But before I do that, I wanna take care of these power lines, okay? So I'm gonna click on this erase button and all I do is drag on the power line and hit erase. And I know that I'm leaving a mess right now, but I'm gonna replace the sky. So it doesn't matter, that this mess is no big deal. This one right there, erase, that right there. Okay, now let's pick a sky. This is, you gotta pay attention because it's one click. It's gonna happen fast. I'm clicking sky selection. Sunset sounds good. Let's choose this one and see if it works. One click. There it is. If you want to try this program, it's called Neo, and you can go to neo.b2xphoto.com.